All right, welcome back. In the first few segments of this, we've talked about the importance of data generation to artificial intelligence. We introduced the concept of physics-based data generation and the reasons why that's important. And then we talked a little bit about the workflow associated with these data generation processes. Now I want to introduce our tool, which is designed to help you actually manage that workflow. Well, it turns out there are a lot of different aspects to this, right? And we try to pull them all into a single tool. So whether that's aggregating a library of simulation engines, sensor types, 3D models, procedural generation techniques, or domain transfer, or getting those tools integrated into an environment that will actually work with your AI capabilities, including a deep learning sandbox, high performance compute, etc. We try to bring that all together in a way that's easy for you to use, and we have experience doing that across a wide variety of relevant sensors. In order to bring this sort of complex environment to you in a way that makes it easy for you to get the kinds of outcomes that you need from your artificial intelligence team, we introduce the concept of channels. What a channel does is it takes the elements of those sensor libraries and simulation libraries, as well as the artificial intelligence workflow integration that you need, and puts it into one easy-to-use place. The architecture that we leverage in those channels is a nodal universal simulation architecture, and it allows you to not only easily create new simulation environments, but also request data and generate new types of data on the fly from both GUI and API-based REST points. The whole objective here is to make it very simple for you, not just to get access to a data set, but to generate the data sets that you need when you need them as you begin to explore your own data hypotheses. When we look at a framework for this, there's a lot of different ways to integrate the work. At the end of the day, it's a very extensible platform that relies on either GUI-based access or API-based access, and there's many ways that you can integrate that into your workflow. So here's just one. One of the things that I like to highlight, though, is that we emphasize this need for closed-loop feedback, and we provide the tools necessary to do that, so that you can understand what data sets are going to improve your outcomes. We're really excited to support you in any way that we can. And whether that's addressing data reliability problems that you have because of challenges in annotations, or maybe building a deeper understanding of your outcomes and being able to produce these testable data hypotheses, all the way to just streamlining your workflow, we're happy to help out and hopefully can actually help you to win business that you wouldn't otherwise be able to win because of access to data. Thanks so much for taking the time to listen to me talk about Rendered.ai and our synthetic data generation platform. If you're interested in learning more or joining our growing ecosystem of synthetic data users, please feel free to reach out and let us know what your needs are. You can visit us on www.rendered.ai or touch base on LinkedIn. Take care.